made it out to Chuck's. This is the before. We got the TX race kit inside, so still looks pretty slick, don't get me wrong, but we've got the plastics kit that's almost identical to this, that 450.
There you go.
So naked.
And I served before from that 8 car that apparently they had never ever been served.
Everything's off. Just don't look right. Whole new kit. There you go.
Broken one back in, I called into equipment. I said, look, I got a broken head. So now, since we've got all this so-called technology, and we're so man, your own imagination thinks I'm doing all kind of weird shit, and I'm like, no, that ain't me. Really?
Holy shit, it's cold out here. Came in a little hot. A bunch of trees right there. I keep hitting them. Thing feels so big body now.
He can't fucking win!
I'm gonna probably wash it tomorrow.
Did you ever figure out where that mixer screw was, air or gas?
On that Kawasaki or on this?
On this.
I don't remember now.
Air screw or? What you want on the idle, I'll describe it as kind of round. It's like whoa, whoa, whoa. Actually, brake lights aren't supposed to idle.
Yeah. I remember you telling me
I'm
that.
supposed to sit there like my XR and
Yeah.
sit there all day long. I love it, man.
Yeah, dude, it sounds so crisp.
It makes me want a 125 and I don't need one.
We done did all this crap to it and you still ain't been on it.
That sounds good to me. And there ain't no weird noises.
We are finally about home. This thing looks like a completely different bike on the trailer now. So if you guys enjoyed watching, you like seeing Grandpa Chuck, we're gonna be out there pretty soon doing a toy hauler, and then we also have the drag car to work on out there. So if you guys like the video, drop a like. It really helps me out. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to not miss more. Thank you.